Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display product SKU in column in admin order dashboard in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting, like it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WooCommerce order section and then you see order detail. So we are going to display product SKU in column. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. So by using custom code we are going to display product SKU number. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section open. And then you can add title and then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So this is the new column name product SKU. So you can add column name according to requirement. And then we are going to display SKU for product. And then scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to order page and refresh the page. And then you see new column added product SKU. And then you see product SKU number in new column. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.